Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another styling session video, this time with Hermes ready to wear. So before we get into the items, I just wanted to take a minute to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe and it helps me a lot. It helps me, motivates me to make more videos when they're actually being seen. And so if you haven't already subscribed, just click the subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps me. And if you're watching this video, then I would think you would want to watch my future videos. So with that aside, let's get into today's styling session. We have Hermes ready to wear in this hefty garment bag. It's actually a really nice quality garment bag, like very, I don't know, well made. There's like this cute piping, this handle, there's snaps, and then of course the little hook here, but it's like, it's just very cute. It's almost like something that they could sell, right? It's like, I feel like at the Container Store, they sell these for like 50 bucks. So really nice. Inside are two pieces of ready to wear. It is a set. This is the Shandong, I think, denim set. They've done this in several different colors. They've done it in pink with orange little, these little links here. They've done it in navy with gold, and then white with also gold print, and see, navy, white, and pink, and light blue. And I really like this set just because it is a little bit more of a subtle print than the other items. So I'm going to style both of these items 3 different ways. I will say transparently, okay, look, first of all, sizing. I got the jacket in a size 42 and it's fitting great. And I got the skirt in a size 44. And right now I would say it's a little bit more snug than I am really comfortable with right now. But because my body is changing and actually changing kind of quickly, I feel like I am comfortable keeping this item because I feel like in a few weeks it will fit me well. I know people feel different ways about that. I'm not really here for the judgment or commentary on that. But I just want to share that transparently, I'm not loving the fit on this, although I feel like I can still come up with ideas for how I want to style it, if that makes sense. So to keep things easy, let's start with the jacket and then we'll transition over to the skirt. So the first way I would wear this jacket is literally as a substitute for a jean jacket. I think it is like just, it's actually in some ways nicer than a jean jacket because as you can see here, jeans and a t-shirt. These jeans are the Row. This t-shirt is from the Great. You're not fussing with the denim on denim issue. Like sometimes I'm just like, I don't think I could do a denim on denim moment. I'm just not into it. I don't love denim on denim all the time. I feel like it's kind of, it could be too much. It can, I don't know. It has to be like just the right color, just the right match. And I'm just not always about that denim on denim life. So I probably wouldn't wear it buttoned unless I was like really cold. But just so you can see, so this is the 42, like I said, on me. And there are these really pretty silver, and they all say Hermes. They're like maybe too reflective for you to see it. So cute. But I think I will get a ton of use out of this jacket. I live in California where, of course, it's warm, but it also always gets cold at night. And so even in a 90-degree day, I will bring a jacket with me for the evenings when it gets cool. And I think this is the perfect weight of a jacket. Like, I think it's just, like I said, it's a one-to-one substitute for a denim jacket, but just like really easy to style and wear with jeans and a t-shirt. And that's how I know it's going to work for me. Now, as for what bag I would pair with this, I mean, I can pretty much do anything like jeans, white t-shirt, like a very neutral blue. I almost like low-key the pop of color. Kind of love that with flats, with sneakers, with anything. Like this could be the look. This could be the whole vibe. And I feel like this Rosette Kelly always matches because it matches my cheeks. Like it's just a blush color pink, so it's cute no matter what. And actually these little blue and green ponies kind of pull in the jacket. So I'm vibing this for sure. So that's look number one with the jacket. We'll do a few more and then transition to the skirt. For the second look, I went for something a little bit dressier. This skirt is just a little big, so I tied my shirt as a kind of way to hold the skirt up. It's also really wrinkled, but I wasn't gonna steam it just for this video, I'm sorry. So this is like a very, like a little bit dressier, but still easy, casual way to wear the jacket. I just think this could be almost like a work look in some ways if I was wearing it with flats or like a dressier shoe. And I also think this jacket's good for that because, you know, in an office building, no matter what temperature it is outside, it's going to be freezing inside. I also feel like with a dress, it will look cute just over the shoulders. Again, it's like the denim jacket substitute couldn't be easier. And I love how this blue, it's like, it almost plays like a little bit neutral because it is that, it's not a denim blue, right? It's a really light blue, but it's like very pretty, very easy with neutrals. I'm feeling like the neutral vibe with it all. I think the beige is a good match for it. And also like the print, because it's more subtle, I don't feel like it screams Hermes unless you know. It's kind of like if you know, you know kind of vibe. I feel like this would also be cute, you know, with loafers for work. I feel like that is more of a worky kind of vibe sort of look. So that's look number two for the jacket. For look number three, like I said, I just feel like this jacket is so neutral. So I just threw it over this little Chanel skirt or dress. It's a dress, it's one piece. It's literally one piece. I was pulling it up because I just think it looked cute with black too. Like it looked good with beige, it looked good with black. It like blends into like the neutral sort of look. And I just feel like this is like an easy sort of, you know, sightseeing, running around, like day to night kind of look, you know, when you're traveling and you want to be comfortable running around, but then you also need versatility when you're like headed to dinner after a day of sightseeing. I feel like this is a really good way to kind of do that because, you know, a dress when it's hot in the middle of the day is very easy breezy. And then at night, it looks like a little bit more dressier put together with the whole look. I just like the jacket. This is kind of, I guess in the other look, we were using it as more of the pure neutral. And then in this look, we're doing more as the pop of color. So I just think it's a really sweet way to kind of sort of mix it up. Pants, skirt, dress, check, check, check. And then the last way I would wear this jacket is as a set with the skirt. So the skirt, like I said, it's a little bit tighter than I would ideally want it to be, but I am in the process of my body's changing right now. So I feel comfortable keeping it and then maybe wearing it in a few weeks. But I think it's so cute and kind of like Clueless or like Elle Woods vibes wearing it as one set. It is definitely a bold look. So to go with it, I got my Rose Sakura Birkin. I just feel like super girly, super 90s kind of vibes. And the twilly that I have on has some of these like bluey turquoise colors in it that kind of pull in with the set, but I think it is such a cute look altogether. And like, I mean, it is verging very, very, very slightly on costume, a little, but I think for the right moment, for the right place, we could work with this. Like we could, it is cute. It's cutesy for sure. The other thing that I immediately thought of when I saw this denim set in this color is this sweater that I picked up pretty recently, also from Hermes. This is an Hermes sweater. And so I just think it's like, this is more of a tonal look, but not so costumey, I think is like the full matching set. Not that it's a costume, I would still wear it. I would just be careful, more careful where I wore that particular outfit so that it wasn't looking like too wild. Whereas this, I feel like I'll literally be able to wear anywhere, even in like the fall with like tights and boots. I think it would look really cute. I kind of was leaning in the fall vibes with this neutral. This is the Natural Saw Kelly 28. And so I thought this was more, especially with the sweater, it's definitely more of a fall look. I think mini skirts in the fall are super cute, especially with tights or something to keep you warm, like a base layer. But I just love that these colors go so well together. And then for the last look, I put on this lacy Saison top, kind of as a way to think about how I would be comfortable maybe wearing this skirt sooner or now, because I really was just mostly self-conscious about the belly line, which can, you know, I could wear shapewear or something like that. It will help a little, but it won't fully change it until like my overall circumference is smaller. But in order to be more comfortable now or sooner, I was like, oh, like a flowy top that kind of goes over and covers that area would make me more comfortable. And then kind of leaning into the, I don't know, boho chic, I thought of this tonal, this is the Gris Pale Birkin 25. This I feel like is kind of Serena van der Woodsen-y top, kind of like a hippie, kind of like giving Chloe, you know, sort of top. And I always say, Blair is a Kelly and Serena is a Birkin, and so I'd probably wear it open, maybe take the kitty cat bag charm off. Maybe not, kitty cat's cute. But this is just like another, you know, the mini skirt plus the flowy top. I feel like it's a good balance of proportions, and so it's, you know, if you're going tight on bottom, loose on top, kind of balancing it all out so that you just feel balanced, proportional. I mean, it's your body. Of course, it's proportional. It's like just who you are. You can't help it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this styling video with the jacket and the mini skirt. Let me know what your favorite look was, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.